In this video, I'm going to break down the conversion principles that a high converting e-com store needs to have on its page. This is CRO Insights episode 57. And for this example, I'm going to use one of my clients who hired ConversionWise.com, my agency, to design them a higher converting homepage. Let's look at each point individually. Point number one is just below the navigation, we've placed our famous trust policy bar. This is a rotating bar that enables you to use icons and text to establish trust and credibility with potential customers. Use things like money-back guarantees, free returns, vegan-friendly, 24/7 support, and anything that just makes you trusted as a company. Point number two is we've further enhanced the image above the fold. Before, they focused very much on the kind of science behind the product and these tiny little product images. We've put the whole focus on the product and therefore what people are actually here to purchase. We further back that up with a very clear value proposition and headline that says, "Live your life without limits." It helps people envision the benefit of actually using the product and what they're going to get out of it when they purchase. Speaking of purchase, point number three is we've just created a better and more clickable call to action above the fold. We've made it full width, we've made it bigger, we've used a directional cue, and we've made it a color that actually stands out against the brand color, so therefore it's more likely to get seen and clicked by your customers. Point number four is you'll see on the before, there's zero social proof above the fold. This is a must-have on all of your pages. You could easily do this by showing the 5 stars and the amount of happy customers that you guys have sold to. And point number 5 is we've changed their feature and scientifically led bullet points that they've used above the fold and flipped them into simpler and easier to understand benefits that actually help the consumer visualize the outcome they're going to get when they take the product itself. And last but not least, number 6, because we've reordered the above the fold, only including the essential conversion principles, we've been able to actually get these trust seals in the form of brands and different publications that have recommended this product above the fold, and we're further ticking that trust and credibility box, and more people are likely to convert. Speaking of people converting, if you want more tips and tricks, head on over to our YouTube channel. And if you want my company, ConversionWise, to design you a higher performing page, then get in touch at ConversionWise.com, and I'll see you in the very next video.